am on the VBX Wellness Machine for U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hi, I'm Gwen with the U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. And I'm here with Roland.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'd like to ask you about your car. Could you tell me a little bit about her?
Sure. It's a 1974 Dodge Challenger. It's originally a 360 automatic car. It's now a 440 4-speed car. It's got a 410 rear end, 8 3/4 housing, and it's burnt orange. Been repainted, of course, and got weld wheels on it. 14 by 6s on the front, 15 by 8s on the back, 295s in the back, 205s in the front. And I take it to a lot of car shows. Drive it pretty regularly at car shows, and the interior is basically stock.
How long have you had the car?
9 years.
9 years. And the condition of the car when you got it?
I bought it from a friend of mine, so the body was pretty much the way it is right now. The only thing I did was paint the grille because he had it argent silver.
Okay.
I painted it black, like you know, like the rally cars were black, same as the tail panel, and so the outside was the same. Basically, I had worked on the tranny, the rear end, and the motor, and everything doing with the powertrain, and cleaning it up pretty much. Interior, it was pretty much, I recovered the back seat. Front seats were pretty good, and then I had the gauges rebuilt. So other than that, that's about it, I think.
Can you pop the hood and show me underneath? I got it for you.
Yeah, it's got a fiberglass hood on it, so it doesn't have a steel hood. And a lot of aftermarket parts. As you can see, it's got intake on it, MSD ignition, distributor, got a, let's see, flex light fan. It's got a cam, you know, forged pistons, forged crank. You can't see that. An MSD box.
How much horsepower?
You know, just guessing on, you know, I would say in the neighborhood of probably 550 maybe.
Nice.
So somewhere on there.
Yeah, what was your time frame?
It's like kind of like an ongoing project, you know. I mean, when I got it from a friend of mine, it needed a lot of work, you know, because he was making a bracket car out of it. So I was putting a lot of parts back in, like the, you know, the heater box, stuff like that, rear lights, you know, the back seat and stuff like that. And you know, so the way it sits right now, it's probably been like this for 3-4 years. So let's just take.
Do you have any future plans for it?
At the moment, I mean, eventually probably needs a paint job, but that's about it probably. I mean,
are you going to keep this color or change it?
Oh no, I'm a keeper. Once I get a car, I keep it a long time. I'm, you know, probably going to hold on to this one for a while. But yeah, come on back here.
Do you have a wife?
Oh yeah.
Does she ever driven the car?
No, it's a stick, and besides with the 410 rear end, it's really hard to drive on the street. And she don't know how to drive a stick, so it's safe.
Okay.
I know someone who can.
I can.
You can drive a stick?
Yes, I grew up driving them.
It's a 410, so it's a lot of fun, you know. So you can imagine how much fun it is with that kind of horsepower. So.
What kind of rims?
It runs good.
And what kind of rims are these?
They're well wheels.
Weld wheels?
Yeah.
They're very pretty. So, how many car shows you'd say you'd gone to?
Jeez.
A lot.
That's a lot. It's a lot.
Win any awards?
Way over 50. Yeah, I've won quite a few, you know. I've had it at the Muscle Car Nationals a couple times too, so it's been there. It's been at World of Wheels twice. But I have won quite a few awards. And I don't know how many exactly, but it's been a few. Enough to fill a couple rooms in my house, you know.
Now that's a lot, a couple rooms.
Enough where the wife wants to, you know, tell me to find somewhere else to put them, but I don't have anywhere else to put them. So other than that, you know, we have a lot of fun with it. My daughter, she's been going on cruises with me since she was probably 10, and she's, what, 23 now? So.
You're going to pass it on to your daughter?
I can't say that because I got 2 sons too, so I'm not going to say that right now anyway.
Okay.
So we'll see how it goes.
Not on video.
Not on video then.
Not on video or nowhere else. Yeah.
Now let's go, folks.
Hi, I get to start up this 1974 Dodge Challenger.
First, make sure it's in neutral. Clutch is really tough because it's Morgan back.
Well, I'm a little on the short side, so yeah. I think
Okay.
I got her in neutral.
See them 2 buttons on the right side?
Yes.
Click them both on.
Okay.
Okay.
I got 1 red light on.
Okay, that's good. Okay, give it a little pump on the gas, a little. Okay, now you can crank it. There you go, there you go.
How does it feel?
It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing.
There you go. Oh, I'm sorry, I was out of frame. Say that one more time.
It's amazing.
There you go.
I'm
I used the Dodges, huh?
no.
Push that down.
Okay, now. All right.
There you go.
I'm going to give those back to you.
So,
It's got some balls.
we're so used to
Yeah, everybody tells me this car sounds kind of cool. You know?
It sounds nice. She purrs.
Going down the
She
road,
definitely purrs.
Yeah, it's addictive.
Thank you very much
No problem.
for letting
No
me
problem.
start your car.
You're the only
I
one that's ever
enjoyed that.
started
Well, thank you. I feel honored.
You're welcome.